Are we recording? Stop now. How are we all doing? We all good? Oh, come on, nothing to be more happy. You drive a Ford and stuff. Got to be more happy than that. How are we all doing? We all good? Probably done better than that. I'm going to give it one more go. How are we all doing? Are we doing? Yeah. So what's this groundbreaking news I hear you ask? It's actually quite amazing really, because as an Arsenal fan I feel we've got more money to spend than ever before. That was the news. Never mind. Thank you everyone for coming today. Old places. Getting older time, isn't it? Yeah. Bob, yeah. Tom, yeah. Hello Dave. Yeah, I was just showing up that Eric before you could go. Massive congratulations to, again, mention Liam and Anne on getting married. Well done. Also, massive congratulations to Ashley and Jonathan on the birth of my goddaughter Casimir. So thank you very much. Well done, you guys. So the weather's not been too bad today. I did, for what I was doing, it'd be good so all the staff can see things from an angle that they've not looked at for a long, well, since about the fall fair really. And yeah, we can get cracking with some trophies. Bear with me. Star Award, Cars in the Park, sponsored by Go Vehicle Protection and Toronto. Toronto, if you're watching, I hope you've got the car and that sorted. Massive shout out also to Martin Warrow, Supreme Engraving in Belvedere in Kent. Big up for Kent. Who do all the trophies, also designed and in practice, which are absolutely awesome. If you've not got one and you want one, there's only a few of them left. But anyway, Star Award, voted by the staff, runner-up. What's the best colour for a Mark 7.5 Fiesta ST? Can anyone tell me? No, it's not purple. Anyone else can give me your best colour? Come get confidence. Woohoo! I think you'd have got that one quite quickly. I told you not to go.
I know, I'm going to leave it.
Can you bend down a little bit? Hey. Don't start because we need to take some pictures. Yeah, alright, thank you very much. So the winner of the Star Award, voted by the staff, Cars in the Park, Full Club GB, 2nd July 2023, is, I'm hoping I've got this right, otherwise I'm going to look a bit of a sweat. Paul Phillips, right, the escort. Here's you. And there was you that didn't give it a very, way! I'm going to get one now. If you hold that there, come here, we're going to take some pictures. So don't go, because we want to get you all the trophy winners here. So you can't, well done. Thank you very much. No, you're welcome. Cheers, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, go on. Don't go back down there, that's fine. Oh. I don't recognise this. Who's that? He's I think he's from up north, isn't he? Is he from up north? Spirit of the Club Award. Can't really say enough about this, apart from it's nothing to do with their car. It's about what I feel like. It's really, they should call this the RJ Award. The Star Awards and this award are paid by myself, RJ12. The three main awards are paid by the sponsor. So this award is going this time for someone that I feel has given a lot over the last year. I'm hoping the club has helped them tremendously to come out of the shell. They've had a rough time over the last few years, but I'm really hoping it's put a smile on their face. I could give them a clue. Could be to do with Postman Pat. Some people say Goggins sounds like Gittins. If it does, it's young Alex. Come and get your award, Alex. He knew as soon as I said post on cat, didn't he? You said you did, did you not? There you go, congratulations. Here's the cover wall. Overdue. There you go. So don't go now, you can't.
No.
Yeah. So that leaves me with a third, second and third place. Very, very hard because the cars were really, really good. One car in particular shone out above all others. Hopefully you'll see that, who that is at the end. So the other two trophies, I don't know, maybe they might be surprised, they might be not. Person's not won a trophy for a long, long time. Peachy, third place, come and get your award. How you been? It's a trophy. I'm going, oh, you can't either. Go on. Go on. Back it goes. Confer with the other people. A lot of people say, what is it I look for when I'm looking at the cars? And you know what? It can be very unfair in the sense that I might quickly look over cars because there's things that I look for the bad bits first. I once done some judging for the Ford Mondeo Owners Club for 2009. They never asked me to go back after. They had all the people with the top cars that had all the engine dress kits. But you look down in the engine bay and right into the wheels and they was quite dirty and horrible. And I gave, me and my mates, Steve Blythe, we gave the award to a totally new newcomer. And he turned up with his Mondeo and I looked down and let's look round in one handbrake lever. And he bothered to hoover it. Didn't ask me to award anymore after that. So based on looking over the cars a lot, and based on they've lost a brush. Yeah, Tracy, would you like to come and get your runner-up award? The kind of new generation Fords have a thing I don't like. It's called a honeycomb grille. Don't often clean mine, can't be bothered. But Tracy does. Well done. Thank you very much. So the winner. Who's the winner? Someone I've not seen at the show on a Full Club GB site before. Someone that left me a 4.5 star review on Trustpilot, that I hope he's going to decide, you know what? He's worth a 5 now. Totally beautiful car. Not seen one before. Not been to Oz. Darren Rudlin, I think that's your name. Do you want your trophy for your Ford Falcon, I believe it is. Congratulations, well done.
George.
Very welcome. Hopefully you can see that glued beautifully.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Cool. Okay, we're going to take some pictures. And don't go nowhere, so I think we're going to get all the trophy winners back up now. And we're going to, when they get, so if you want to wait here, all the trophy winners, if you want to come up here, please.
Which one are we looking at?